Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a drone tour of King's House. Now, I'm very impressed with the grounds. It is well maintained. Now, King's House is located on West King's House Road. It's on a massive piece of land. This is the official residence of the Governor General of Jamaica. And very nice, I must say. Well maintained. Look at the lawn. And this structure was built back in 1907. So there is acres upon acres upon acres of land around King's House. Now this section that we're looking at is just the house itself, but there is a lot more land around it. We're going to give you a 360 view of everything in a little bit. Okay, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on King's House. King's House, also known as Government House, is the official residence of the Governor General of Jamaica, who represents the Jamaican monarch and head of state. It is located in the part of St. Andrew Parish that is considered part of the city of Kingston. By the year 1690, the first official residence in Jamaica for use by the governors of Jamaica was in Port Royal. Another was constructed in Spanish Town in 1762. When Kingston became the capital of Jamaica in 1872, a new official residence called King's House was constructed at the former home of the Anglican Lord Bishop of the Diocese of Jamaica. This house was destroyed by an earthquake in 1907. Soon after, Sir Charles Nicholson, a British architect, supervised the rebuilding and restoration of King's House. Despite a major fire in 1908, the present King's House is structurally similar to the reconstruction of 1907. Today, King's House is still used as the office of the Governor General of Jamaica. It is also the venue for state and ceremonial functions, including the swearing-in of ministers of government and judges of the High Court. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Guys, let us know what you think about King's House and how well it's maintained. I'm very impressed. Guys, let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.